Day 2 of helping my friends out. Today I'm going to be fixing their mirrors that I took down to paint. I'm going to be putting up a round mirror in their guest bedroom or guest bathroom. Putting their square mirror back up in their master bathroom. And apparently one of the light fixtures that was installed yesterday actually is way too bright. So, gonna install the same one that was in their guest bathroom is getting installed in the master bathroom. And also have to repair their toilets because the insides are messing up. Don't use bleach tablets in your toilet, folks. My welcome committee's here. Oh, hey, come on. Get out the gate. Come on. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out, little ones. Hey. No, I'm not here to play. So I'm going to start on the guest bathroom. We've already put on one fixture back up. Now I need to put a round mirror. And put this fixture back up there. And fix the toilet valve. Because this one broke. So here's where I'm at. Gotta measure to see where the center of this is to match the center of this here. Measure the distance between those to make sure that all of this is gonna be smack dab in the middle so it doesn't look funny. Done. Mirror. Who's that handsome gentleman? And toilet. And hung this. Toilet's all done up. Boom. Flushes nicely. Had an ordeal where all the water decided to come this way, so I grabbed this pot, but not before I got wet foot. So my shoe's over there. But one bathroom down, one to go. So in this bathroom, that light, way too bright. Gonna put that one in. Also need to fix this toilet valve. Put the mirror back. Boom, boom, boom. Here we are in day 2. Got this mirror up. Got the hook on. This back on. Got this all hooked up. New toilet plunger thing. All this blue paint. Light fixture. Bam! And in this bathroom, the mirror is all nice and back up. Light fixture. Boom. Blue everywhere. Blue ceiling. Toilet fixed. Flushes. Boom. All done. Check. Check. Check.